Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to guide you through the process of fixing the issue where your access is restricted and your account can't access most Google services. To resolve this problem, follow these steps. If you own the account, you can request access to it again. Start by signing in to your Google account on a browser like Chrome. Next, click on Take Steps. Sometimes, this will prompt you to verify with your phone number or complete a CAPTCHA. If it's something else, you'll need to submit an appeal to Google for a review of the account.
It's showing me your access is not restricted.
Once you've submitted the appeal, Google will inform you within 2 business days. In my case, I've verified with my phone number, and it's showing me that my access is not restricted. Now I'm able to use my Google account again.
Please consider subscribing.
That's all for now. Thank you for watching. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new content. As always, we welcome your feedback and suggestions in the comments section below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.